Honda with the engineering look.
G'day guys, just an off the cuff video about the quality of a Honda Accord Euro with 220,000 Ks on it. That literally this is the first time anything's been done to the car. You can see it's got the original radiator, the original top hose, and just coming off from weeks of Audi intake manifolds and water pumps and Minis and Mercedes-Benzes and stuff, which are a little bit better. This is just so refreshing. Like, just have a look at how they keep things cool and have a look at the quality. Look at the quality, guys. And in there, the valves are absolutely spotlessly clean, and they're massive as well. They're huge. So you've got a plastic thermostat housing here, but it just doesn't explode like a German one. You've got here the plastic manifold, but it's super robust looking. And we're taking the starter motor out shortly, which this is Honda, but like, you don't get this sort of, just the way they do stuff, it's just so finished and proper. So Toyotas aren't like this, but just the way they make everything look nice, you know, and they also harness everything, and they also, you know, complicate stuff, but not to the point where it's not actually a car that you can go to sleep at night and wake up in the morning and not worry, you know, like all these German cars. It's like his starter motor's failed at 220,000 Ks. It's going click, click, click. And that's about it. But, you know, Matt, is this a water hose or the PCV? This is, it's a booster for the booster. So we haven't lost any coolant. Okay.
You don't need to. You unbolt the throttle body and the lines run on the throttle body.
Proper butterfly, not plastic. That's InGen. It's had an InGen filter put on it. But original alternator, original water pump, original engine mount, hoses, everything. So, yeah, if you're gonna buy a car and you're worried about reliability and running costs, and you can get a good Honda, like, don't get us wrong, when they're bad and neglected, they're you know, there's a timing chain here. You don't want to buy one without checking it, but if it's got a good service history and 2 keys and it runs smoothly and there's no smoke and it's all legit, and you check the car for corrosion and stuff like that, then you can get yourself a very, very reliable car with this K24, what is it?
K24A.
K24A is just a beast. And it's the old injection. They're not efficient, guys. They're going to guzzle down the fuel.
But they go hard.
But they go quite hard, yeah. Anyway, just some thoughts. And then there's the interiors, which we just love Hondas here. The interiors. This one's a bit worn out there, but generally, like, the interiors really hold up well. And the cars look good. Nice and stylish.